Hello everyone and welcome back. If you are a Laravel developer, I bet you have felt this pain building forms. It's often slow, repetitive, and honestly pretty boring. You spend so much time writing endless HTML, adding classes, handling JavaScript for every little interaction. It's a huge time sink, right? Hours, even days, just for basic data entry. This takes away time from building amazing features in your app. What if I told you there's a smarter, much faster way to create beautiful, fully functional Laravel forms? A way that lets you build forms 10 times faster, write less code, and focus on what truly matters. Well, get ready to meet your new weapon, Tablar Kit Form Builder. Before you dive into building lightning fast Laravel forms, make sure you have got two essential packages installed in your Laravel project. One is Laravel Tablar and Tablar Kit. You will find links to both GitHub repositories in the description below. So, let's get started. Now, look at this. In your controller, all you do is use the form builder create method. Then you chain methods like action for where the form send data and method for how it sends it. To add an input field, it's just input, giving it a name and a label. You can make it required, add a placeholder, and even specify the type like email, number, or password. You can easily add a checkbox for terms or a toggle switch for newsletters. Finally, add your submit button. And just like that, with minimal PHP, we have a complete, well-styled registration form in our browser. No HTML written by hand, no complex blade code. Tablar Kit takes care of all underlining markup and default styling for you, saving you a ton of time right away. It's not just for simple forms. It comes packed with a wide range of powerful components for almost any need you can imagine. Let's look at some that will truly change your workflow. As your forms grow, you will want to organize them. Tablar Kit offers a card component. This lets you group related fields neatly, making your forms look professional and easier for users to navigate. All the fields inside the card are defined in a simple function. See how clean that looks? It's all about improving the user experience. Handling file uploads in web forms can be a real headache, especially for images or files. But Tablar Kit makes it incredibly easy with built-in file pond integration. You can enable multiple file uploads, especially allowed file types, and even add a full image editor for cropping or resizing, all with just a few method call. Just drag and drop and it works. This alone will save you hours of JavaScript setup. Tablar Kit integrates powerful editor like Jodit. You can see its height, choose which toolbar button to show, and even configure image uploads, all directly with your form definition. Writing articles or descriptions becomes a breeze with this professional editor. Complex layouts, Tablar Kit gives you full control. You can define sections to break up your form logically, and within those sections you can use rows and columns to arrange your fields side by side, creating multi-column layouts without writing any CSS grid or flexbox code yourself. This means perfect alignment and responsiveness for your forms every single time. Long or complex process like user onboarding or lengthy registrations, multi-step forms are key. Tablar Kit provides a clean way to break down your form into logical steps, guiding the user through the process. You define each step as a separate card or section, and Tablar Kit handles the navigation logic and rendering for you. This improves user experience and reduces form abandonment rate significantly. Finally, for a truly advanced feature that solves a common problem, repeater fields. Imagine you need to add multiple contacts or multiple addresses or a list of items to an order. Instead of hard-coding several fields, Tablar Kit lets you define a set of fields that can be repeated by the user. Users can click Add Item to dynamically add new sets of inputs and remove to delete them. This is incredibly powerful for dynamic data entry and usually takes a lot of custom JavaScript. With Tablar Kit, it's just a few lines of PHP. So, why should Laravel Tablar Kit Form Builder be the next package you add to your Laravel projects? It helps you work incredibly fast. It makes you high efficient. It eliminates repetitive boilerplate code. It lets you focus on the core logic and unique feature of your application. It's packed with a comprehensive range of powerful components for every form need, from basic input to rich text editor, dynamic file uploads, smart conditional logic, repeaters, and even full multi-step form wizard. Stop wasting time writing forms by hand. Start building them faster, smarter, and cleaner with Laravel Tablar Kit Form Builder. The link to the GitHub repository and full detailed documentation is right there in the description below. Go check it out. If this video helped you discover a better way to build forms, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments what's the most annoying form you have ever had to build and how do you think Tablar Kit could fix it. Don't forget to subscribe for more Laravel tips, tricks, and productivity hacks. Happy coding!